All right, guys, so we are at the shop. Like I said, today is now Saturday. Our last day we'll be giving the keys back is on Monday, and we have Donovan taking off the film on the windows. So we are doing that. You got it, Forge? Yeah. He's got it. He said, is this what Carl feels like way up here? Yep, you got it. Good job. You're doing a great job. If you need to step down, you can on the ladder. I don't know. Be careful. Oh, this is better.
We both made the same boat.
Okay. I like your M&M socks.
Thank you. They're tough, right?
They're very tough. Good job. Oh, let's do it before. I'm going to step back for a second. You okay? Yeah. Okay. My husband in there. So this is the before. All white. And then it will be clear. So Donovan's out there taking that off. My husband's in here. This is for my channel for FlashCustomTransfers, our last weekend. We're printing some stuff we're killing every day. We're printing some stuff for my Theo Blas. Patos Locos forever. We're just doing some cleaning up. Getting the shop ready to close down. Let's go check on this boy. Of course, with the Red Bull. Red Bull, sponsor me. Sponsor me, Red Bull. You got it? What about for the little part? Forge. Yeah, that's what your ass get. Get up. I told you don't be doing it like that. Oh my God. And I got that on camera. Do it right.
You didn't tell me not to do it like that.
Yes, I did. I said don't be pulling it where you might fall.
No, that was on the ladder.
Either way, the directions still stand. On foot or on a ladder. Oh. Comment down below if you want to whoop your kids' butt. Comment down below if your kids don't listen. Comment down below. And follow Donovan's channel. What's your channel?
Icybox GT, all caps.
It's not Donovan's domain?
No, I changed it a long time ago. You know this.
Dang it. Icybox. What is it?
Icybox GT, ICEY.
Okay, follow him.
Follow me.
YouTube family. See the best edits in the game.
Exactly.
Oh, there's Carlos.
Carlos.
Already looking good. We got 1 down, 2 down, 3 to go. 1.5, 3 to go. So the boys on the last window.
Actually, not that. Last one's right here.
The last outside window. He did a great job. He didn't even fall off the ladder.
I fell once.
I said fall off the ladder. Woo! As I almost fall. Carl's inside working on the website.
I can't make you laugh.
Don't fall.
I'm trying not to, but you're about to fall.
Talking miss. That's funny. Good job. Lock in. Lock in. It's zoomed in on your face.
Not helping.
So the boy has taken off 1, 2, 3, 4. We had a little strip here. And then this one. So now he's doing the inside. We put this one inside out. So the white is on the inside, the black is on the outside. So that is the last one that he did. Can you help? Careful. Alrighty. Shop is all done. Taking off the stuff is all done. There's all the... Huh? Yeah. Your mocos. Flash Custom Transfers. It is now nighttime. We are still in the shop. It is still Saturday. We have tons and tons and tons of stuff to print. So as you can see, the boy has finished all of the windows, except that little piece over there, babe. You gotta help him get that. But we are printing, and we are still at the shop. It's gonna be a late night at the shop, which I'm okay with because this is gonna be our last Saturday here. So I'm not tripping at all.
So we got a lot of...
So these are some designs that we're printing. Look at this beautiful lace, mama. So this is the back of it, obviously the back of the transfer. Let me show you the front. It's so cool. Ooh, pretty. The printer did great with those details. I like it. It's so classy.